Hindi po biro yung pagiging 50 ng isang tao. And I'm really lucky that she's my mom and she's 50. Look at her. She doesn't look like 50, di ba? Mahirap po kasi yung ano po. Akala po kasi nung tao, since may pera po kami, is sobrang saya na po namin. My dad was a really, really good father. He's the best. I would say that. I would really say that. I would swear on anything na napakabait po ng tatay ko. That's why it's so hard for my mom to really accept what happened to my dad.
For me, hindi namin alam, I'm realistically speaking, na hindi namin alam kung hanggang kailan ang father namin na ganyan. But we vow to ourselves na as long as nandito kami, hindi kami mapapagod for them kasi hindi sila napagod sa amin.
Ate, happy birthday! Sana gumaling na si Gonzi. Pa-birthday na sa inyo ni Lord yun.
Gonzi, sana tuloy-tuloy na po yung paggaling ninyo.
Sana gumaling na si Boknoy. Happy birthday.
Malakas si Boknoy, gumaling na, tsaka Dory, happy birthday. Huwag ka na umiyak. Alam ko naman yung wish mo, halos lahat nasa iyo na. Isa na lang yung wish mo na gusto mong matupad.
Isa lang naman po kasi yung wini-wish ng mom ko, and even kami po. Even wala yung wealth, bumalik lang po yung dating sigla ng dad ko.
Alam ko po, mahal niyo ako. Ang hinihingi ko lang po sa inyo, isang dasal lang. Isang dasal lang para sa asawa ko. Nagumaling na siya. Maraming salamat po.
From hello, what's your name? To oh no, I'll never be the same. Oh, you've been changing me. From trying so hard not to play the fool. Do you know that you're beautiful? Oh, you've been changing me. Just take some time, but little by little.
Happy birthday, Sonia! We love you!
Oh, I never thought I could get the chance to be here with you.
Sa mother ko kasi, which is very, very special to us, na nakita namin na hindi siya nag-give up.
So I wish for my mom, hindi po wealth, hindi po mga marangyang bagay, kundi to have her real happiness, which is the recovery of my dad.
Of course, to my mom, sa nanay ko na napakagaling at hindi namin masukat, kundi namin mapantayan, pipilitin namin. And for my dad, promise dad, hindi kami susuko as long as we are here.
Never thought I could get the chance to be here with you.
So, she's a super mom. Talagang superwoman po yung nanay ko. So, I'm really thankful, Ma. Happy birthday. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Ma.
Yung dalawa na yan, ang simbolo at ang totoong yaman ni Tita Dory at ni Tito Boknoy. Kagawad, Chudora, Dory, Kataku,